एक दूसरी खबर आती है कि हरिहर मरेंगे तो उन्हें अग्नि प्रदान करने के लिए ठाकुरबाड़ी के साधु संतों और काका के भाइयों के बीच काफी लड़ाई होगी। So now another news came that if Harihar Kaka dies, there'll be a lot of fighting between Thakurbadi saints and the brothers of Kaka to provide him fire. दोनों ओर से अग्नि प्रदान करने का निश्चय हो चुका है बिकॉज दे वॉन्टेड टू प्रोवाइड फायर टू हिज बॉडी। इस संदर्भ में उनकी लाश हस्तगत करने के लिए खून की नदी बहेगी। इन दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट अ रिवर ऑफ ब्लड विल फ्लो टू टेक ओवर हिज बॉडी टू डू द सेरेमनी। एक तीसरी खबर आती है कि हरिहर काका की मृत्यु के बाद उनकी जमीन पर कब्जा करने के लिए उनके भाई अभी से तैयारी कर रहे हैं। Then a third news came that after his death of Harihar Kaka, his brother is already preparing to take possession of his land. इलाके के मशहूर डाकू बुट्टन सिंह से उन लोगों ने बातचीत पक्की कर ली है। They have confirmed the conservation with Buttan Singh, the famous bandit of that area, dacoit. हरिहर के 15 बीघे में से 5 बीघे बुट्टन लेगा और दखल करा देगा। So out of 15 बीघas, 5 बीघा will take the Buttan and the rest his brothers will capture. इससे पहले कि इस तरह के 2-3 मामले बुट्टन ने निपटाए हैं। Buttan has already solved such kind of 2-3 cases. पूरे इलाके में उसके नाम की तूती बोलती है। His name speaks through the entire area. एक चौथी खबर आती है कि महंत जी ने निर्णय ले लिया है हरिहर की मृत्यु के बाद देश के कोने कोने से साधुओं और नागाओं को वह बुलाएंगे। A fourth news came that Mahant has decided that after the death of Harihar, he will call sadhus and nagas from every corner of country. रहस्यात्मक और भयावी खबरों से गांव का आकाश आच्छादित हो गया है। A lot of news related to Harihar Kaka was spreading in the village. दिन प्रतिदिन आतंक का माहौल गहराता जा रहा है। Day by day, people are afraid of such kind of news. सबके मन में यह बात है कि हरिहर कोई अमृत पीकर तो आए नहीं। Everybody knows that one day or other Harihar has to die. एक ना एक दिन उन्हें मरना ही है। One day or other he has to die. फिर एक भयंकर तूफान की चपेट में यह गांव आ जाएगा। And after that, this village has to face a big problem. उस वक्त क्या होगा कुछ कहा नहीं जा सकता. At that time, what is going to happen? Nobody can say. What happened at that time? Nothing can be said. यह कोई छोटी लड़ाई नहीं, एक बड़ी लड़ाई है. This is not a small fight, it is a big fight. जाने अनजाने पूरा गांव इसकी चपेट में आएगा ही. Knowingly or unknowingly, the whole village will come in its grip. इसलिए लोगों के अंदर भय भी है और प्रतीक्षा भी. That is why there is a fear and waiting. That the people are having feeling of they are afraid also, but they are at the same time they are waiting also. A wait that cannot be denied even by his life. एक ऐसी प्रतीक्षा जिसे झुठलाकर भी उसके आगमन को टाला नहीं जा सकता. It was such a lie which cannot be denied. और हरिहर काका वह तो बिल्कुल मौन हो अपनी जिंदगी के शेष दिन काट रहे हैं. And Hariyar Kaka has become completely silent. With this silence, he is spending the rest of his life. एक नौकर रख लिया है, वही उन्हें बनाता खिलाता है. A servant has been kept and he cooks for him and serves him food. उनके हिस्से की जमीन में जितनी फसल होती है उससे अगर वह चाहते तो मौज की जिंदगी बिता सकते थे, लेकिन वह भी गूंगेपन का शिकार हो गए हैं. He could have spent his life if he wanted with the crop that in his land, but he has become a victim of dumbness. Gunga means dumb. कोई बात कहो, कुछ पूछो, कोई जवाब नहीं. Say something, ask something, no answer. खुली आंखों से बराबर आकाश को निहारा करते हैं. With open eye, he looks at the sky. सारे गांव के लोग उनके बारे में बहुत कुछ कहते सुनते हैं, लेकिन उनके पास अब कहने के लिए कोई बात नहीं. People from all the village hear and they say a lot about him. They talk about him, but he has nothing to say. पुलिस के जवान हरिहर के खर्च पर ही खूब मौज मस्ती से रह रहे हैं. The police who has come to serve him, now they are enjoying the life. जिसका धन वह रहे उपास, खाने वाले करे विलास. So the property, the person who is having the property is not able to enjoy it, but others are enjoying with the money. अब तक जो नहीं खाया था, दोनों जून उनको भोग लगा रहे हैं. So the cops till now the food which they didn't enjoy, now they are eating. Both had not eaten till now such food. Now they were offered it as an offering. So this is the end of this story. And let me give the summary of this story in short. Hariyar Kaka was a good had gone to heaven. He had no children. He had 3 brothers. He had 15 bighas of land as his property. The land he had no owner. There was a temple in that village. The people of the temple or the Mahan was back of his property or the land. His brothers were also back of his property. Kaka was not ready to give his property to anyone till he is alive because he do not want to suffer in the rest part of his life. But the Mahant and his brothers both tried to get his property forcefully. These incidents created a bad impact on him. He gave a statement to the police that he will not give his property to anyone. In the end of the story, it became a question mark for everyone in the village that who will be the owner of the property. After these incidents, Kaka started staying alone outside the village. He lost his power to talk. He also really felt ill. He hired a person who could cook for him and serve him food and take care of him. So this is the end of the story. Thank you.